Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about Robert Lustig's brilliant book, Metabolical. His problem with processed food number 3, which is mitochondrial dysfunction. It's a complex topic, but I'm going to try and see if I can make that understandable and see if we can do it in 2 minutes. What's the problem with processed food? You get calories too quickly. Processed food has been grains ground up and fiber removed. And don't get me wrong, it makes it taste delicious, and so we love it. We used to eat 45 grams to 60 grams of fiber a day. We're now eating, in America, suburban populations think they're doing a good job when they get to 15. Urban populations that eat more fast food often get less than 5 grams of fiber a day. When you don't have fiber, your gut digests and processes what's in your gut very quickly, and it gets into your blood very quickly. And when it does it, it jams up your mitochondria. Your mitochondria can only process so much so quickly, and they're like a freight train. They have to have a place to put the stuff they're making. And if they don't have a warehouse to put it into, it's like the port at Long Beach right now, jammed up with ships and no place to go. Your mitochondria can't process the calories. So coenzyme Q10, that's meant to be passing one of those electrons on down the electron transport chain, can't do it. And it passes them off to making fat. Because all it can do is take that little 2-carbon fragment and say, let's make fat instead. That gets the calories out of here. That gets that little particle we got and get rid of it. And so what happens when you get mitochondrial dysfunction? You get fatty liver. What proportion of Americans have fatty liver? Just about all of us. We can get fatty liver in a month or two if you just go to a fast food place every day for lunch and do what they did with Super Size Me. Just eat fast food, sugared soda, hamburger, and order of fries, 3 meals a day. You'll have fatty liver within a month. In fact, you'll have elevated liver functions within a month. You'll have high blood pressure. All those things showing that you're sick. That's mitochondrial dysfunction in a nutshell. It's that easy. How do you fix it? First of all, it's cut down on calories. But second of all, we have to find calories that have more fiber in them. That means a lot more vegetable. Eating white bread is not good for you. Eating whole grains is a little better, but you have to eat the whole grain. You have to see the whole grain, not made from whole grains. You have to see the whole grain. And that doesn't include the concept of lectins in grains. But eating more vegetables gives you fiber, slows down the digestion process. Exercising helps you burn the calories, so at least you've used up somewhere to go. But probably the most useful thing is some kind of fasting. Make sure you go at least 12 hours at night. Cut that 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock snack. Eat at 6 o'clock in the evening. Don't eat until 8 the next morning. In fact, better, skip breakfast. Don't eat until lunchtime. If you want to have something for breakfast, have a cup of coffee with just a tablespoon of coconut oil in it. All of those strategies will work, and your fatty liver will go away. It works. I've done it for me. I had fatty liver. It's gone. Dr. John Whitcomb, problem number 3 of Bob Lustig. Read his book if you want to get the whole story, but I gave it to you, some of it, in just 3 minutes.